It's sweet, it soothes your throat, but behind that sugary taste lies one of the most misused medicines in the world. This is the curious case of cough syrup, a story that is between healing and harm. It all started in late 19th century. Cough syrup were created as a miracle medicine meant to calm coughs and help with sleep. Many early versions contained morphine, codeine, and even alcohol, ingredients that made people feel relaxed and relieved. Over time, pharmaceutical companies refined the formula using dextromethorphan (DXM), a chemical that suppresses cough. It worked like magic until people discovered its dark side. By 1990s and 2000s, DXM based syrup became an underground obsession. Teens realized that in high doses it could cause hallucinations, euphoria, and a sense of detachment from reality. It wasn't just cough syrup anymore, it became a cheap, easy to get drug. In countries like India, Nigeria, and even the US, cases of overdose began to rise. At first glance, it looks harmless, but excessive use can lead to liver damage, seizures, breathing problems, and even death. In some tragic incidents, entire shipments of fake cough syrup have caused mass poisonings, killing dozens of children. The reason? Many counterfeit syrups are mixed with diethylene glycol or ethylene glycol, industrial chemicals used in antifreeze. Even a small dose can destroy kidneys and cause organ failure. In recent years, countries have tightened control. Pharmacies now demand prescriptions, and are cracking down on illegal manufacturing. The World Health Organization has issued global alerts urging nations to strengthen testing and quality control. But despite the warnings, the syrup still sells because addiction is hard to silence. So, why do people get hooked? DXM affects the brain's NMDA receptors, altering perception and mood. It gives a temporary escape but damages the mind over the time. That's why medical experts warn the same medicine that heals you from cough can harm your mind if abused. The story of cough syrup isn't just about a drug, it's about balance. Science gave us a gift to ease pain, but curiosity and misuse turned it into a curse. So, next time you reach for that bottle, remember dosage defines destiny. Too little, it doesn't work, too much, it destroys. This was a curious case of cough syrup. Stay aware, stay healthy, and stay curious. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more stories where science meets society.